Hey guys, Danielle here with GLI's educational series, If I Can Do It, So Can You. Today we're going to show you how to properly fan fold your safety cover, so next fall you know how to open it up. Let's dive in. Okay guys, so I have safety cover product manager, Brian West, back here with us again today to show us how to go ahead and fan fold this pool. So Brian, it's all yours. What are you going to do?
All right, so this is the way we fold them in the factory when we box them and ship them out brand new. This is the easiest way to do it, but it takes a little explanation. So we've got a lazy L-shaped pool here. It's a little kind of custom shaped. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull about 6 foot of the shallow end onto the deck and lay it flat. And then every other strap we're gonna grab and kind of fan fold or accordion fold it onto itself. That's gonna leave us the entire cover stacked up, kind of like a fan on top of each other. Once we have it all pulled in, we're gonna kind of burrito roll it to the center like Chipotle, and that's the easiest way to get it into the storage bag.
Okay, Brian, your fan fold, Chipotle, burrito, like fold you've got here is pretty amazing. Why don't you sum up what you did and also provide us with any little tips for what we wanna make sure we do or do not do when we fold this up?
Sure, yeah, so it's not, easy, you get a little wet, a little out of breath, but it is the most efficient way to fold a safety cover. When you open it up in the fall to close the pool next year, you know exactly how it was kind of done. It's also the most efficient way to fold the cover to make it fit in one of our Cover Doctor cartons, which I know you've done a video on before.
Which is very important because these covers are heavy and bulky and they have to fit to the specification of that Cover Doctor's box. Otherwise, you need to call us so we can figure out a different way to get it back to us.
Yep, absolutely. So now you just want to kind of let it dry and make sure that it's fully dried before you put it away. That way it doesn't get moldy or mildewy. And store it in an area that is free of rodents and insects because they love to chew on this fabric.
Okay, so now when you pulled it off, we wanted to be super cautious of the
snap hooks and the springs. So when you're pulling the cover off, if you have a vinyl liner pull, you want to make sure those things don't catch on the liner. It could snag, it could cause a hole. So be mindful when you're fan folding it towards the, the shallow end that it's not catching anywhere.
Okay, and what's this big thing right here? What do you got on there?
Last pro tip, our winters are long here in the Northeast, so you can kind of forget on which way you folded it and what direction it's facing. So when we take this out of the bag, to go ahead and reinstall it, we know exactly what direction it was folded to.
And that arrow is going towards the?
Going towards the deep end.
Deep end, okay, wonderful. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You'll follow our tips, and next time we'll get these beautiful folds back to GLI, and it'll be easier for you guys come the spring. All right.
All right.
See you later.
Bye-bye.